Hi, my name is Ellen Morano. How would you like to be in control with your emotions in a challenging situation? And how would you like to be positive in nanosecond or in millisecond from anger, irritability, or whatever challenges you had at the specific time? It's been 26 years that I was healed with pranic healing. And because of the miraculous healing I had experienced, that in one session I got miraculously healed, I want to share. I want to impart the same experience, that I want people to experience the same healing as what I had. And so I learned pranic healing, and it was not really a planned profession, but because my desire to help people, my heart is to give comfort to people who are suffering and to have different conditions. And in pranic healing, we have simple tools to use to simple from simple to serious cases. And we did have miraculous results from subdural hematoma, from cancer, from broken bone, or from even birthing. And so anybody can do this. So I want to share the stage 4 neuroblastoma for a 5-year-old child. The parents were so grateful that they have somebody who can they call, that even though in pranic healing you learn distant healing, so even though they're in the hospital, if the boy experiences discomfort from chemo, they text me, they call me, and the nausea gets away. The feeling of discomfort is being resolved in millisecond, because even remote healing is real-time result. And with these young parents, they were so comforted, they're being nurtured, they feel like they're being embraced, that no matter how difficult their situation is, there's pranic healing that has helped them even remotely. So I want to share this experience. I want people to experience the same thing, being comforted, being helped with their condition. And no matter what, you can learn pranic healing and you can apply it to yourself, and we can make a domino effect. As I helped you, we'll be able to help your family and friends. And you can join me. I can help those health advocates who has the heart to help people and give impact to people's lives. Help them with their challenges, and even not only physical condition. Help them open their mind and open their heart to prosperity. Everything is possible. Everything starts in the energy world. We address the energy level, the physical level will follow. Learn more about KBB, because it's KBB who pushed me to go out and share the world what I have experienced for myself and how we affected people from young to old, from serious to simple cases. And if you want to know more about KBB, as Dean said, it is a disservice if I don't share this to the whole world. Now here I am. No matter how difficult the camera, facing the camera, I have to shoot 1,000 times. Thank you, Dean, for this challenge. I went out and just do it. Click the link on this page and register for the special webcast of Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, and Russell Brunson. See you there.